Hello, my name is Briggs Kellogg. Today I'm just wanting to give you guys a rundown on my website and my business. So as you can see right here, this is my home page for my photography business. Um, it's very simple and clean. As you scroll down, there's little links to the different pages in my portfolio. You can also come up here and click on the different portfolios. Um, We'll go to portraits, and you can see some of my different work. As I'm running a photography business, it's pretty important for me to show off my work. It's basically the equivalent of an e-commerce business showing the different products that they have. Um, and so I've made it so that each image is very big and clear and takes up the majority of the page, but still looks pretty nice. Other little pages that I have are my little biography about why I do what I do and why I'm passionate about it. Another page for contacting me directly, and then another probably second most important page that I have is the page for booking online. This is a really cool feature that I've been able to use for. You can see all my different services that I provide from engagement, couple shoots, portraits, wedding, and little mini shoots. Um, for me, one of the biggest tools that I've used this semester is obviously AdWords. AdWords has been huge because people definitely use certain keywords in order to find what they're looking for, such as wedding photographer or wedding photographers near me, and keywords just like that. And so I found that very beneficial. Another helpful tool that I have is I have a link on my Instagram that takes people directly to my website, and a lot of photographers are found and are able to show their work through Instagram. And so it's a great way to network and find potential clients, potential models to use to help promote your business. Um, I've had a lot of fun using this, and I've been able to book a couple events. I have a wedding coming up here in a couple months, and then was just contacted about doing some senior pictures. So um, I'm very excited to continue using this and hope for the best in the future. Thanks.